Okay, hello students, we have completed till page number 122 where the conversation was going on between Sebastian and Antonio, and both these villains, they were conspiring against the life of Gonzalo, old Lord Gonzalo, and King Alonso. In their opinion, both Gonzalo and King Alonso, they have become very old and they were not fit to rule Naples. So Sebastian also, from inside his heart, he wanted to become the king, but then he says that Claribel was the suitable heir for the throne, to which Antonio says that Claribel has been married to the king of Tunis and now she is the queen of Tunis. And apart from this, Tunis is very far away from Naples. So in that regard, Claribel will not be able to get any information which are taking place in the kingdom of Naples. Okay. So Sebastian, when he understands that Antonio wants to help Sebastian in becoming the king of Naples, so he reminds him that Antonio also has displaced his brother Prospero from his dukedom of Milan. And then Antonio very eagerly takes this as compliment and says that, see how my garments, this royal robe, is suiting me. So today we will start from page number 124 with the continuation of Antonio's speech, where he says that much feater than before. Feater means graceful. So my robe, my cloak is suiting me better than my brother. I am looking more a real duke than my brother Prospero. My brother's servants were then my fellows earlier when I was just a brother of Prospero. So these servants, they were my equals. I was no less than a servant in the same dukedom. Now they are my men. But after I had overthrown my brother Prospero and has become the real Duke of Milan, so I have become the master of my servants, Sebastian. But for your conscience, then Sebastian says that, what about your conscience? यहाँ पे conscious का मतलब है कि when you do anything wrong, there is something which stops you from committing that sin, that crime. तो Sebastian point out कर रहा है कि what about your conscience? To which Antonio says, yes sir, where lies that? तो यहाँ पे that pronoun जो है वो conscious के लिए है. और एंटोनियो बोलता है कि what are you talking about conscious, and do you think that this is something which lies in human personality? तो एंटोनियो इतना बड़ा विलन है कि उसको कॉन्शियस जैसा जो कॉन्शियस जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर होता है ह्यूमन पर्सनालिटी में, जो राइट और रॉन्ग को डिसाइड करता है, उसको लेकर के वो बोल रहा है कि डू यू थिंक देयर इज समथिंग लाइक कॉन्शियस विच ड्वेल्स इन ह्यूमन बींग्स? इफ इट वर अ काइब आई वुड पुट me to my slipper, and if conscious is present, then definitely I feel about it sore on heel. काइब का मतलब है sore on your heels, on your foot. तो अगर conscious है भी तो definitely it must be like a small sore, like a small injury, wound which is present in my heel, and I would put a slipper in order to avoid it. यानी कि एंटोनियो के लिए कॉन्शियस की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. ही इज सो एम्बिशियस दैट ही जस्ट वांट्स टू अचीव हिज पर्पस विदाउट कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट वेदर इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. So he says that for me, conscious has no value. This deity in my bosom, I do not feel this God. तो यहाँ पे deity भी जो है वो God है, और God का मतलब भी conscious है. So this God does not dwells in my heart. 20 conscious that stands between me and Milan, candid be they and melt ere they molest. और एंटोनियो जो है वो इतना stubborn villain है कि उसने बोला कि even if I had very strong conscious, even if I had 20 such conscious in my personality which could stop me from becoming the Duke of Milan, ठीक है, तो definitely I will dissolve all these conscious and I would melt them to become into a candy, sugar coated candy, before it could influence my heart. तो अगर ये कॉन्शियस मेरे अंदर होता और बहुत बड़ा भी होता और मुझे स्टॉप करता क्या बनने में, ड्यूक ऑफ मिलान बनने में, तो मैं इसको एज अ कैंडी बना करके, शुगर कोटेड कैंडी बना करके आई वुड हैव ईटन इट. हेयर लाइज योर ब्रदर. फिर किंग अलोंजो को पॉइंट आउट करता है, ब्रदर इज रिफर्ड टू किंग अलोंजो. देन ही सेज दैट हेयर लाइज your brother King Alonso, no better than the earth he lies on. So he is appearing to be as dead as the earth on which he is sleeping. So he appears to be like a dead person. If he were that which now he that's dead. If in reality he is converted into a dead body. See how cleverly he is instigating Sebastian's mind against his own brother Prospero. And he says that if in reality Alonso, who has become so old and is no less than a dead person, could be murdered, whom I with this obedient steel 3 inches of it can lay to bed forever. So with the help of my obedient steel, तो यहाँ पे obedient steel dagger को बोला जा रहा है, और dagger का जो साइज होता है वो 3 inches का होता है, तो इसीलिए रेफर किया जा रहा है कि I can easily kill this sleeping old man with the help of my obedient dagger of 3 inches, and then he will lie dead forever. While you doing thus to the perpetual wink, for I might put this ancient morsel, यहाँ पे एंशियंट मॉर्सल ओल्ड मैन, और ओल्ड मैन कौन है, गोंजेलो. तो while I will be murdering your brother with the help of my dagger, that is King Alonso, at the same time it is my advice to you that you should also kill this old man. ठीक है, perpetual wink का मतलब everlasting sleep. So you should make this old man go into everlasting sleep, that is death, who poses to be Sir Prudence. ये जो ओल्ड मैन है, ओल्ड लॉर्ड है गोंजेलो, इसको भी तुम्हें मारना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ही प्रिटेंड्स टू बी अ वेरी लर्नड एंड वाइज मैन. प्रूडेंस मीन्स वाइज. हु शुड नॉट अपब्रेड अवर कोर्स. अपब्रेड का मतलब क्रिटिसाइज. बिकॉज आफ्टर मर्डरिंग अलोंजो, इफ गोंजेलो रिमेन्स अलाइव, तो ही विल डेफिनेटली डू वॉट? He will definitely criticize our killing of Gonzalo, and then he might revolt against us, which might cause harm and might create hurdles in your path of becoming the king of Naples. So when I will be murdering King Alonso with my obedient steel, at the same time you are advised to put this ancient morsel into perpetual wink, into everlasting sleep. For all the rest, they'll take suggestions as the cat laps mills. As far as all the other lords are considered, तो यहाँ पे rest जो है वो lords से related है, जैसे कि फ्रांसिस्को है, एड्रियन है. As far as the other lords are considered, तो they'll take suggestion as the cat laps milk. So they will behave just like the cats. They will become our obedient, loyal lords. They'll tell the clock to any business that we say befits the hour. So they will follow the duty as per our commands, and they will carry out our orders in any way and moment that we like. तो जो हमें सूट करेगा उसी तरह से वो हमारे कमांड्स को फॉलो करेंगे, बाकी के लॉर्ड्स. लेकिन गोंजेलो को तुम्हें मर्डर करना पड़ेगा. सेबेस्टियन, दाई केस dear friend shall be my precedent. Precedent means example. तो सेबेस्टियन ने बोला कि your case. So which case is Sebastian talking about? Sebastian is talking about the way Antonio has conspired against his real brother Prospero and has supplanted him from his dukedom. That is, overthrown him from his dukedom. So he says that I will take example from you, as thou gottest Milan, I'll come by Naples. The way you have become the Duke of Milan by conspiring against your brother, I will also become the King of Naples by killing my brother Alonso. Draw thy sword. और वो अपना sword निकाल लेता है. One stroke shall free thee from the tribute which thou payest, and I shall king shall love thee. और उसने बोला कि one stroke, meaning to say one attack on these two old people will free you. दी यहाँ पे एंटोनियो के लिए, will free you from paying money to this king. And after I will become the king, you will be my most loyal duke. तो एंटोनियो जो है वो एनुअल ट्रिब्यूट पे करता है अलोंजो को, क्योंकि जब प्रॉस्पेरो के अगेंस्ट कॉन्स्पायरी हुई थी तो ये कंडीशन रखी थी अलोंजो ने. और अभी सेबेस्टियन बोल रहा है कि वंस किंग अलोंजो विल बी किल्ड, सो एंटोनियो विल बिकम फ्री ऑफ पेइंग एनुअल मनी टू King Alonso, and then he will become the Lord, the most loved Duke of King Sebastian. Antonio draw together. तो एंटोनियो ने बोला कि ठीक है, both of us will draw our swords together to fall it on Gonzalo. तो while I will kill King Alonso, you will have to kill Gonzalo. Oh, but one word. लेकिन सेबेस्टियन को कुछ याद आ जाता है. And then they speak privately. So while they were speaking privately, Ariel re-enters. And again Ariel is invisible. Then Ariel realizes that it is for this purpose that Prospero has given magical sleep, the command of sleeping all these characters with his magical sleep, because then otherwise Antonio and Sebastian's conspiracy would never have been out. अगर Prospero Ariel को कमांड करके अलोंजो और बाकी के कैरेक्टर्स को मैजिकल स्लीप में नहीं भेजता तो शायद सेबेस्टियन और एंटोनियो की कॉन्स्पिरेसी कभी पता नहीं चलती. तो इसीलिए एरियल क्या बोल रहा है कि माई मास्टर थ्रू हिज आर्ट फोरसीज द डेंजर. Master here refers to Prospero. So my master Prospero has understood with the help of his magical art beforehand, matlab he has got prior information that you and his friend, that Gonzalo who is Prospero's friend, are in danger and sends me forth, and that is why he has sent me here, for else his project dies. Otherwise his plan would have failed. तो प्रॉस्पेरो जो है वो नहीं चाहता कि गोंजेलो के लाइफ को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, और इसीलिए उन्होंने जो है वो मुझे यहाँ पे भेजा है सो दैट आई कैन कीप बोथ ऑफ यू अलाइव. सिंग्स इन गोंजेलोज ईयर. इतना बोलने के बाद एरियल जो है, क्योंकि वो इनविजिबल है, ही स्टार्ट्स सिंगिंग इन स्लीपिंग गोंजेलोज ईयर. While you here do snoring lie, open-eyed conspiracy, his time doth take. So while Gonzalo you are lying asleep, a great conspiracy is planned against you. So which conspiracy is Ariel singing about? He is talking about the recently hatched conspiracy by Sebastian and Antonio. So he says that when you are sleeping, a great conspiracy against your life has been planned. If of life you care, you keep a care, shake off slumber. If you really take care of your lives, if you are really bothered about your king and about yourself, please wake up from this sleep and beware. इसको caution करता है, awake, awake. तो after singing this song, Antonio says, then let us both be sudden. और तभी Antonio बोलता है कि now let us attack these two people promptly at once. Then all of a sudden Gonzalo wakes up because he has heard the song, and then he has also listened to the wordings of Ariel's song. Now good angels preserve the king. और जैसे ही Gonzalo उठता है तो वो, क्योंकि उसने सॉन्ग में सुन रखा है that there is a conspiracy against him and his king, so he gets up and he says God might save the king. और सेबेस्टियन और एंटोनियो को देखता है कि both these characters they were holding their swords against them. So he says, why, how, now? What is this? मतलब why are you pointing your swords towards us? अलोंजो को देख के बोलता है, हो अवेक, और अलोंजो को भी वेक अप करता है. सेबेस्टियन एंटोनियो से फिर से बोलता है, why are you drawn? Wherefore this ghastly looking? So why have you taken out your swords? And why are you looking so terrible? ठीक है, so dangerous. Alonso wakes up. What's the matter? And then Alonso also gets up and he inquires from Gonzalo about the happenings. Sebastian makes a story and he says, while we stood here securing your repose, even now we heard a hollow burst of bellowing, like bulls or rather lions. तो Sebastian बोलता है कि when we people were guarding your deep sleep, repose means sleep, securing means guarding. So when we were taking care of your safety when you were asleep, we heard a terrible roar of a group of animals as if it was like bulls or like lions. तभी हमें terrific roar सुनाई दिया. Did not wake you, but we did not want to wake you up. It struck mine ear most terribly. And that roaring was so strong, that sound of roar was so strong that it almost stuck mine ear. Alonso, I heard nothing. Alonso ने क्या बोला कि I did not hear anything because there was no such roaring. In fact, in reality, there was no such roaring. एंटोनियो, ओ इट वॉज अ दिन टू फ्राइट अ मॉन्स्टर ईयर. अब एंटोनियो ने भी सेबेस्टियन की जो लाई थी, जो स्टोरी थी, जो झूठी स्टोरी थी, उसको सपोर्ट किया और बोला कि येस इट वॉज अ टेरेबल साउंड. डिन मीन्स टेरेबल साउंड, जस्ट लाइक a monster's sound to make an earthquake, and the sound was so big, so terrible, as if it was just like a huge earthquake. Sure, it was the roar of a whole herd of lions. It appeared to be a roaring of the herd of lions, the group of lions. Gonzalo, heard you this, Gonzalo? अब अलोंजो ने गोंजेलो से क्रॉस चेक किया कि डिड यू हियर द रोरिंग ऑफ द लायंस. सो ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज दिस वॉज अ लाई, Gonzalo says, upon my honor, sir, I heard a humming. Humming means soft song. And actually this humming is referred to the Ariel song. So Gonzalo says that I can take an oath of yours, sir, but truly speaking, instead of this roaring of lions or bulls, I heard a soft song, and that song had strange wordings which did wake me, and because of that song I waken up. I shaken you, sir, and cried, and then I had woken you, and my eyes when opened, I saw their weapons drawn, and the moment I was awakened from my sleep, I saw that both Sebastian and Antonio, they were pointing out their swords against us. तो गोंजेलो ने जो देखा था वो किंग को बता दिया. Now king understood everything. ठीक है, although he has not openly spoken, but he understood everything. And Gonzalo also, he was so intelligent that he understood that Sebastian and Antonio were up to something very wrong against him and his king. There was a noise, that's verily. Verily का मतलब certain. Gonzalo ने बोला कि there was a noise. ठीक है, that is certain. But that noise was not related to any roaring. It was in fact a humming song. 'Tis best we stand upon our guard, or that we quit this place. It will be better for us that we should take care of our lives on our own, or we should leave this place. Let us draw our weapons. और गोंजेलो ने जल्दी से किंग को बोला कि we should take care, we should guard our lives, we should leave this place. Take out your sword. अलोंजो, लीड ऑफ दिस ग्राउंड. अलोंजो को भी बात समझ में आ गई कि उसके अपने ही ग्रुप में कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स हैं जो उसकी लाइफ के पीछे हैं, तो उसने बोला कि नाउ लेट अस लीव दिस प्लेस and let us make further search for my poor son, and now we should move forward in order to search my son. So who's referred as son? Ferdinand. ठीक है, and then this scene is about to come to an end where Gonzalo says, heavens keep him from these beasts. यहाँ पे beast word जो है वो बहुत ही ironical है. तो Gonzalo ने बोला कि I would pray to God that he should keep यहाँ पे हिम फर्डिनेंड के लिए he should keep Ferdinand safe from the beast of the island as well as the beast present among us, for he is sure in the island. Because as far as I know, I have a full faith in God that Ferdinand is alive and is present on this island. So this is reality actually. Alonso, lead away. Alonso बोलता है let us go. And then Alonso, Gonzalo and all the other people who were present along with them, they leave the place. So they exit the scene. Ariel remains all alone on the scene. Ariel says, Prospero, my lord, I shall know what I have done. अब एरियल को समझ में आ जाता है कि वॉट एवर ड्यूटी ही वॉज डूइंग दैट वॉज इन ऑर्डर टू सेव द लाइफ ऑफ गोंजेलो एंड किंग अलोंजो. सो ही सेज दैट माई लॉर्ड प्रॉस्पेरो, आई शुड इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट माई जॉब. सो किंग गो सेफली ऑन टू सीक दाई सन. Now King Alonso, you can move on safely on this island in order to search your son Ferdinand. So this is all about of Act 2nd, Scene 2. Okay, so we'll start Scene 2nd of Act 2nd. So this is the end of Act 2nd, Scene 1. Sorry. In my next video, I will start Scene 2.